How to customize channel in your Twitch account. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna show you the ways to customize channel in Twitch TV. So to do this, you can follow the simple steps. So first thing first, open up a browser and log in into your twitchtv.com. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and which is gonna look something like this. So what next you need to do is go ahead and press the profile icon from the top right, go to channel. As you press the channels option, you can go ahead and find your profile or your display, how it actually look or how it appears to the viewer. So what next you need to do is to customize this. You could go to about section, or you could also go ahead and tap on the customize channel options, and as soon as you press on it, you could go ahead and start adding your information and then customizing your channel by adding all the information that's left blank here. You could go ahead and do this, and that's how you could go ahead and customize your Twitch TV account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.